Hi guys, we're on holiday, staying in Beach Cottage in Inner Hope at Hope Cove. I'm pleased to find that they've got a good selection of clocks in here. You may know that I'm fascinated by clocks, have quite a collection at home. Not really fancy ones, I just have a thing about watching time go by, I suppose. But unfortunately for you, that means I'm going to take pictures of all the clocks that they've got here. And there's other things with numbers on them. There's temperature and humidity sensors. The radiators have got clocks on them and temperature gauges. They're remote controlled. Fascinating. I couldn't resist setting the oven clock to the right time. And I did the microwave. That's sad, isn't it? And apparently all these radiators are remote controlled. If we want the temperature changed, we have to ring the owners. But I find it fascinating that they've got the temperature on them and the time. This is a clock that tells you the state of the tide. Shortwalk.com. This is locally made, this clock. Hope Cove, Devon, 2019. We'll have a look at the back of it because it's got more information on it. There we go. Made in Loddiswell, which is just up the road, by Ian Pepperell, 2019. Sold in the Hope Cove Gallery. I don't know what those mean, but I assume they're some sort of boating information. We have a barometer. Fair weather at the moment. Smiths made in England. That's our own little clock that we always bring on holiday, just in case there isn't one in the house. A nice big clock in the bedroom. Just found this a day later. It was switched off and pushed out the way. But it works. So we don't need our little holiday clock. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.